Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron McGee. Today we're going to talk about some features in the latest XT series firmware update. One of those features being the Trouble Audible in System Options. The Trouble Audible will make sure that any troubles that occur at your customer system does not enunciate at the keypad between the hours of 9 p.m. and 9 a.m. This makes sure that they are not interrupted in the middle of the night for a trouble that they may not be able to fix themselves. You will get notified at the central station, so you know these signals are coming through, and you are able to reach out to the customer at an appropriate time to schedule service or see if those resolve with a restoral coming through. But your customer will not be interrupted in the middle of the night. So that's just a nice feature to make sure that you don't have an upset customer calling you. You're able to be proactive about the situation while they rest quietly without interruption. Another nice feature that we added is the support for the 1100T translator. The 1100T translator allows you to take over competitor wireless devices. You can take over Honeywell, 2GIG, DSC, and Interlogix Wireless. You can program the 1100T in device setup. Once you have programmed it in device setup, you will then be able to program the competitor wireless devices in zone information. When it prompts you for the serial number of that competitor wireless device, you actually have two methods of entry for that. You can manually type in that serial number if you have that, or you can use the learn operation to be able to tamper that device and retrieve that serial number from the device upon the tamper. While the programming of the 1100T can be done locally from a keypad, you can also do that remotely from dealer admin or remote link. Another nice feature that was added in is an improvement to the speed in which your network paths, whether that is hardwired network or Wi-Fi network, will fail over to a secondary communication method. This just ensures that if for any reason the network goes down at your customer site, those alarm messages or trouble signals are being sent to your central station as quickly as possible. Then for our communicator series, which is the dual COM and CellCOM, we added an improvement that allows the CID capture to communicate with a wider variety of panels. For example, we had heard that there was some issues with the DSC Maxis panels being able to do the CID capture, so we've now implemented an improvement that makes sure that that CID capture is working reliably on those legacy panels that exist out in the field to make sure that you can quickly and easily take over those systems. As you can see, there's quite a few great improvements in the latest XT series firmware update. Don't forget that you will be able to download that from Dealer Direct at dmp.com, and you can update your panels through remote link. Or you can go to Dealer Admin and you can actually use the bulk firmware update feature, and you can send this update to multiple panels with one click and get that going and not have to worry about connecting to each and every system. Let Dealer Admin take care of all of that work for you. Thank you for your time, and thanks for your business.